Hi there. Conflict in your relationship is totally normal. It's only a problem if there's no repair and no reconnection. So, how do we repair and reconnect? It starts with a real, sincere apology. Imagine I didn't clean up after myself today, and so my partner comes home to a sink full of dirty dishes. A good apology has four parts. One, own what you did. I'm so sorry that I left my dishes in the sink again. Two, own that this is not the only time you've done something like this. I know I forget this more often than I'd like to. Three, own the character difficulty that you're working on that has caused the behavior. My forgetfulness is something I'm working on, and I'm going to set an alarm on my phone right now to remind me in the future to pick up after myself. And fourth, is there anything you can do right now to make it better? Remember, a genuine apology is not just about saying sorry. It's also about taking responsibility and actively working towards positive change in your relationship. It's the small steps that pave the way for a stronger and more understanding connection.